So I'm going to show you how to change out the reverse light on a 2013 Dodge Dart. So what you're going to want to do when you're replacing this light bulb is you just open the trunk. So you open the trunk, there's a panel back here that you're going to take out. And if you can see up here, this is your bulb. So you're going to go counterclockwise. It's going to come free. And you can inspect if it's burnout or anything. If it was burnout, this would usually be like darker, like black, and then that filament would be broken. Now this particular type, you just pull out. There's no screwing out, so we're going to just pull it straight out. I don't want to touch any bulbs with my skin, especially if they're newer bulbs or ones you're going to use, because the oil from your skin can actually have them burn out quicker. Once you got that out, you're just going to kind of wiggle this back and forth gently, and you pull it out. See that everything looks good. In order to replace this, all you would need to do is shove it back into place. It will click. Once you hear that click, you're good. Now you'll notice there's a couple of different size ridges they have to line up with the holes up there. Once that's in, then you just move clockwise and it'll be secure. Then what you're simply going to do is replace the cover. And you're done.